Okay, so you want to know how to make an outline on an image in Pixlr E. So just press open image here. I'm just going to open a random image. I have this image on my computer. I'm going to delete the background from it. I'm just going to use magic mask here. I'm going to up the tolerance. Just remove this. And then we have this little guy here. So I'm going to unlock him up here and we're going to go to filter. What you want to do is just go over to outline here and just pick size and make a big outline. But when you press apply, you can see that there's no outline because this image was originally cropped. So what you want to do is actually just go over here and click apply mask. Yeah, make sure you click apply afterwards, and you can pick the feather, you can pick a lot of settings on it. I'm just going to pick this. Click apply and you have this nice little outline on your character. Thanks for watching, subscribe for more short tutorials like this, and I love you guys, bye!